Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, we have started chapter 13 Fun with Magnets. In this chapter, first we will discuss about magnets. So, children, we know that the powerful magnets are used in the industry to separate the iron articles from the waste, and they are also used to lift the heavy containers from the ships to ground or from the ground to ships. So in fact the magnets have a large number of uses. So children, first we should know that what is magnets. So simply children, any substance which attracts the pieces of iron towards itself is called the magnets. And what are the property of the magnetism? The property of the magnet to attract the things made up of iron, cobalt or nickel is known as magnetism. So children, you can see there are two poles of magnets. You can see easily the ends of the magnet where the magnetic force is concentrated, means more, are called the magnetic poles. We know that each magnet has two poles. First is North Pole and second is South Pole. So children, basically there are two types of magnets are present. First is the natural magnets and second is the artificial magnets. So children, the natural magnets means they have the low magnetic power like magnetite, and artificials mean they have a strong magnetic power like they are found in the different shapes. So children, you can see in this picture there are different shapes of magnets are there. For example, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, like magnetic needles, disc magnet. There are different types of magnets which are present in nature, like natural magnet, dumbbell magnet, cylindrical magnet, all. So children, after that we should know that magnetic substances like a natural magnet which attract the certain materials which are called the magnetic substances. For example, cobalt, nickel, iron, steel and alloy of any of the above. So these metals and these materials are called the magnetic materials. And what are the properties of this magnet? So the property of the magnet that they attract magnetic materials, and the second property is called, first property means attraction, so it is called the attractive property, and the second property, which is a freely suspended magnet, is always rest in the NS direction. NS means north south direction. So children, this property is called the directive property. And the third property is like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Like pole means like same pole, like south pole or north pole. And unlike pole means one north pole and second is south pole. So these are attract each other. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Thank you children. And children, today is your homework to read this chapter Fun with Magnets. Thank you.